In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a little shooting bag. I got some old rice here, some new rice as well. It's got the cheapest stuff that I could find on the shelf. This happens if you're going past Waitrose, so you could get these a lot cheaper. But I'm just going to be showing you how to make a really cheap, quick rifle shooting bag. I lost mine a little while ago, and I've got a little trip this weekend. Might be filming that and making a video, but yeah, I got a little trip, so then I thought I really want these for it, so I'm going to show you how to make them. All you're going to need is rice. It doesn't matter what rice at all. A knife or scissors and duct tape. Doesn't have to be duct tape, but just the only stuff I had and quite like it. And if you make it out of black duct tape, it looks a little bit like a barrel of cocaine. So on that note, let's get started. First, I've got my rifle, so I can show you that after I've finished it. So this will go under the buttstock, this will go under the forestock, put that like that. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. I've not done this before, but I saw a video on YouTube that I'll link below of where I got this inspiration. But it was basically a guy, I can't actually remember what his YouTube channel name was, but I've watched him before. I quite like his videos. Right, time to start. I like to actually not use these scissors for a while, so I don't actually know they're that sharp. Get a strip of duct tape, cut it so you've got a strip that will go over the top like that. Push it down so it's touching in all of the right places and snip the corners. Got some other scissors here, a little bit sharper, just to snip the corners. If they come over a bit, then you can just push them down like that. And then you want to grab a length of maybe 10-12 inches. Put these out of the way. Oh no, you don't want to do that yet. You want to get a piece and cut it into two bits that are maybe like 3 inches, and you go over like this. Depending on the size of bag of rice or whatever you're using, you might need to use 3, but I think that 2 looks like it should work. Okay, got those 2 bits over each of the ends, and then I like to, just gonna snip that there as well. You lie your rice flat, put it over like that. Make sure that it's reasonably taut. You don't really want to make it too taut, or it kind of takes away the character, the kind of springy characteristics of the bag of rice, but just taut enough to hold its shape. You don't really want the original bag to be like crinkled over, if that makes sense. There. Just like that. Now you've got one end done. Snip the ends if you need to. And this isn't going to be like one of the actual fancy ones where you can do like micro adjustments by squeezing it, because it's not really for long range shooting. I just happened to notice that on the underneath of my forestock, you might be able to see there are some scratches where I've just been resting it on logs or whatever, wherever I happen to be shooting. So It's just a really little protector. Right, I'm just going to do the same as that end to this end, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I actually forgot to press record just then, but I got this all done. The main thing was, when you're doing that end, you don't want to wrap it after you've put the ones that are going over the top, so that it's all uniform like that, so they're not all like jaggedy. So I got this one all done. I will film this one. This is a smaller one for the the buttstock. And yeah, or you can stack them, I suppose, if you want it to be higher. But yeah, sorry, I completely forgot to press record. But I am going to just do basically the same. Stick that over there. Snip the end so it doesn't pucker over. Fold them. Put it over like that. Get a length of it. Not going to be as long this time, I'd say. Probably that. Wrap that just there. Do the same to this end. There you go, got that one done. So now you've got 2 shooting bags. This one will go under there like that. And then I suppose, or it can go like that as well. That. Or if you want it to be a bit higher, I suppose it could be like that as well. That. That. But it's all up to you, really. Right, I'll just set this up, take you off the tripod, and then I'll show you how it works. So you can see the smaller one will go underneath the buttstock or the rear stock, coming along, and this one goes underneath the forestock. Meaning that you can shoot quite stably. You can adjust these, you know, like flip it like that. Doesn't really move it if you squeeze it, but yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little bit of a repeat from last video, but I wasn't really too happy with how the one that was all black turned out. Looked a little bit suspicious, but yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'm happy with how they turned out, and I'll make a video, whether it's a full-length video, a short, or a like a short full length, or one of those short videos. Don't know, but keep posted for that. And also a little bit more hunting and shooting content coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.